I'm doing mine.
Toothbrush. Toothpaste namin at saka yung So, ayan, dito na tayo sa room namin mga kachika. Actually, hindi talaga siya, mas malinis pa yung kung ako yung maglilinis ng room. And then, yan, nandito na tayo. Dapat hindi pa kami dapat pinapa-check-in kasi yung check-in time dito talaga ay 3 o'clock. So, dumating kami dito na mga 1 o'clock. May 1:15, ganun. Tapos, pina-check-in na lang kami kasi, ano daw, ready na daw yung room, pero hindi talaga perfect. Ganito yung itsura ng room. So, ito yung magiging room namin. Ganyan. Yan, usual lang. Yan. Tingnan nyo yung bathroom medyo. So, ganyan siya. Tingnan nyo yung floor. Mas malinis pa yung pagkalinis ko. Yung glass. Yung ano din nila. Ganyan. So, ganito. Hindi talaga super linis yung room dito mga kachika. Mas magaling pa din talaga tayo. Kahit yung inistihan namin last year nung nagpunta kami sa ano ba yung inanuhan namin na hotel, na 4-star hotel siya, pero hindi din talaga siya. No? Tapos ganyan yung bed, hindi nila tinak-in kasi nga dapat 3 o'clock pa yung ano dito, pero pinaano na lang kami. Pero okay lang. Buti lang nandoon yung manager, mabiit yung manager. Yeah, ganyan nga yung bed, inayos lang yan. Pero umupo-upo na kami, pero hindi na nga lang nila tinak-in mga kachika. Sabi ng manager, sige, okay na lang daw mag-early check-in na lang kayo, or else kung wala yung manager doon, magbabayad kami ng 15 pounds early check-in. Pero okay lang din naman. Walang problema kay Mr. na magbayad siya ng early check-in ba. Extra 15 pounds. Pero may dala akong mga tea, coffee. Ayan. Ganyan. Uy, nandito pala yung necklace ko. Tapos, alin is there. Maganda dito kasi malapit lang sa mga, excuse me, Bi. Mga shops. Saan na ba yun? Yan, merong KFC. Nandyan lang yung KFC. Hindi pala nakikita. Basta may KFC. So, malapit lang dito. May KFC, may Asda, may farm foods. So, if kailangan namin ng something, tatakbo na lang kami doon. Ganon. So, ayun na. Ito na yung room namin. Or, pansamantalang, ang tawag yan? Shelter. Shelter. Kasi, yeah, I got food there. I make sandwich. May dala ako mga gagawa ako ng sandwich. Just wait for daddy when daddy is back. Kinuha niya lang yung mga bagahe namin doon, mga kachika. Pinalitan ko yung necklace ko kasi sinuot to ni daddy's kami, ni Alisa. Yan, may electric fan pala. Mga menu. Gusto mo mag-order ng food. Pwede ko muna itong wallet ko bago ko kalimutan.
Do you have a fridge?
No fridge here na. No fridge. Ayan. Kinutin. Pero yung pagdating sa linis, mas malinis pa yung ako maglinis.
I'm gonna go in here. Hi.
Pero hindi man siya mabaho mga kachika. Hi. Bakit why like this my phone? Mag-change daw siya kasi may baon siyang damit. Iba yung baon niyang damit, iba din yung aking dala nandoon sa suitcase.
I got my skirt. My skirt.
You wear the dress.
Yeah, look at my dress. I'm wearing a dress.
Because Alina is wearing dress, so you wear that
And I
dress.
got this one. And that's it. I got my dress. And also her pajamas.
Bedtime clothes.
And my pajamas and like this. You have what?
You brought 2 pair of pajamas.
Yeah, for 2 nights. And I got panties.
You got panty as well, Isa?
Lots of panties.
Nandito pala yung nilagyan ng Dubai. Iniwan na dyan. I think brand new yata yung mga Dubai na nandito.
Starving. I'll put on my. Is that the right door, Lisa?
Really nice, smells nice.
Of
Okay.
course they do. I've got one thing that's smell like. Let me smell you first.
I put different version.
Daddy! Wait!
Very strong. Thank you.
Use your phone again.
It's okay.
Oh, this is where we are going.
What does it say?
See that one? No, that's different.
Different. What's that one?
Oh, that's not the one. Is that the one?
No, different
That's
one.
different. That's different.
Okay, let's go. It's okay.
Oh,
Okay.
look at that big owl. Oh, big eyes.
Oh, then.
I'm scared. I'm out of here.
Ayan lang. So we go, I'll go this way then. Palabas.
Hmm?
Farm foods.
Lovely.
Okay, here. KFC. Straight down lang eh.
Oh,
And Asda. Asda. Try to look how much the prices in Asda.
Wait
We
a minute, it's not the right way.
No, wow. Look, this is spinning. Oh, yeah.
Turn left, then turn right.
Turn left, turn right.
This is so nice.
Over here.
Turn right, then slide right.
This is a parking lot, surely.
Yeah.
Oh, give me.
A dragon, magic dragon.
I'm not going in there.
Oh no, we have to go this way. Lisa. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Ganda ah. Nina mina pe, tanya pa. Yeah, it's nice here.
Smaller area.
Smaller area, but there's a lot of stuff. Oh, oh, smaller area. There's so much things to do. Where is that?
It's on the coast. Padstow. Very famous. Got
Okay.
red restaurants. Ain't
Okay.
cheap, but we'll have a look. Eh?
How many minutes?
34 it says.
34?
Get some. Yeah, you do it, love. Get your directions in.
She knows the directions, Mama. Expert. La 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 la. La 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 la.
We're in Wadingbury.
La 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 la. Ring ring, can you whisper, Nana? got my phone.
Nag-uwi na. Alina, stop teasing her, Lina, okay? Stop teasing her. Mag-uwi na yung mga ano dito kasi wait lang. Alas 5 na, hanggang alas 5 lang sila dito. So plan nga namin sana na mag-camping. Tent ba? Ganon. Kasi mahal din. Mas mahal pa kaysa sa hotel.
What's that?
Yung tent. There.
Same price.
Same price.
Camping.
More?
No, it's more, wasn't it?
500 pounds something
For a
for 3 nights. Ganon.
For a tent.
Nice. Ano lang kami. Palo lang kami sa Google Maps. Pero hindi pa namin to puntahan.
That's a truck.
Yeah.
Truck. Camping on a rock.
Tired?
No.
No? You see Bing as well, no?
Bingy bong, diggly belly bong.
Bing. Bing.
Bing.
In BBC. That's in BBC.
Is it?
Oh.
Bing bong, bing.
How do you spell it? Left. This left?
No, I don't know. No, there's not. It's not there. It's not here.
Are you sure? It says left.
No, this is not the road. Quentin. No, it's nothing there.
It said, well, there's hotels and stuff. You don't think it's this way?
Okay, I think this way here. Okay, I saw the sign there. Fenton Lona Lane.
That's it.
In 200 yards, turn left onto St. Saviour's Lane.
Ikot-ikot na muna kami dito mga kachika. Si Mr. nandoon naghanap siya ng anuhan, ng papaparkingan. Maghanap kami ng kakainan namin. Ay, sige.
I'm doing my hair today.
Let's have a look how much. Dito kami tambay. Ang ganda dito mga kachika. Oh.
I wanna go down there. Ice cream truck.
Oh.
No.
How about you?
I don't mind. I'll eat anything.
999. Tadi ka sabing
Oh yeah, it's coming. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I want this.
You got cash, yes? And you got mayonnaise.
Okay, sit down properly and eat your food.
Eat by myself.
Sit down. My goodness. Bili sila ng ice cream. Ito yung mga ano-ano nila dito.
Oh, what is this? Should we go to this water side together? That's just what we want. The splash thing. I wanna go with Elisa.
There your ice cream.
Strawberry for you. Madame?
Came down this way earlier. Sabi niya, Miss, hindi daw dito yung daanan kasi iba yung dinaanan niya kanina. Sabi ko, dito kami dumaan kanina.
I'm cold.
Hindi na ako nakapag-video kayo ng mga kachika kay nalobat yung phone ko, nagcha-charge ako ngayon. So, nandito na kami. Maghihilamos na lang ako. Pagod mga kachika yung daming lakad-lakad. What are you looking for there? Oh. Alisa is there. Diyan yung KFC sa likod. Oh.
Hill Kids. Get ready for the new school year. There's lots of good advice online at bbc.com.
How's your sunscreen?
No, you're doing your skincare. Okay, it's okay. Ang takas ng pinapanood ni Mr. Doon, nakalimutan niya pala magdala ng sabon sa
Look,
mukha.
it's different.
Put your stuff really. Ano pa ba mo? Bango ito. Binili ko yun sa kanya, Sarah, para sa birthday niya. Kaso, hindi ko na nabalot yan pala ng
Why do you
birthday
pretend
niya.
on this? There's nothing in there.
Malaman ko mga laman. Mga ano lang, hand cream, lip balm, Johnson. Ganito yung itsura kasi. Nilagyan ko to ng oil. Sabi kasi paglagyan mo ng oil, long lasting na ba yung pabango ba? Kaso parang nadamihan yata yung,
This is my favorite one.
nadamihan ko paglagay ng ng oil. Oil ba? Ang hilamos na ako.
And there it is. A lip mask.
Come here. Come here. Hey, ba yan? Come here. Parang ang lagkit ng ano dito. Ang tawag dyan, yung sahig ba? Yung floor. Madumi naman dito. Madumi, malinis naman yung bathtub. Madumi lang talaga yung ano nila. Siguro may namadali na ng tagalinis. Hindi naman sa pag-ano, pero yung mga ano talaga, mga ibang lahi ba, pag sila naglilinis, gaya doon. Alam ko kasi may mga katrabaho ako nagtrabaho pa ako sa hotel. Iba talaga yung trabaho natin kaysa sila magtrabaho. Kasi nga kahit kaya nung umalis ako doon dati sa work inanuhan ako ba, sabi niya na sinabihan ako doon ng head namin na ayaw niya dapat na, kahit yung manager namin, ayaw saan nila na umalis ako doon.
It has water.
Kasi alam nila na maganda ako ano ba, iba yung, tayo ba mga Pinoy, iba tayo magtrabaho. Hindi naman sa pagkukumpre, pero yun talaga to yung totoo. Pagka in there, it will get wet din. Maghihilamos lang ako. Gabi. Pagod ako sa namin.
Hi. Are you doing skincare? Sure. So what do you have in there?
I don't know. I got no